Hey guys, today I'm super excited to be bringing you my first holiday makeup look of the season. It's super fresh, peachy, and let's just jump straight into it. I'm starting off with super fresh skin. Last night I popped on the Body Shop's Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Night Mask, which I picked up in this Tea Tree Day and Night set. The Body Shop have a huge range of gorgeous Christmas gifts and sets available, all of which give back. With every purchase made between November and December, the Body Shop will be donating to help rewild over 10 million square meters of forest as part of their World BioBridges mission. This will help protect and regenerate corridors between healthy forests, helping endangered animals and plant species to thrive and breed again. Tea tree oil is great for spot treating blemishes, and the night mask will help to keep your skin clearer for longer, which is super helpful during the festive season with all of that not so healthy eating and drinking that's going on. I applied the mask before bed, left it on overnight, then rinsed it off before filming. Now I'm spritzing. Okay, I'm drowning my skin in MAC Fix Plus to prep it for foundation, and I like to massage this into my skin to help it absorb. I'm applying just a light layer of foundation now, but I'm actually going to come back later and really perfect my skin. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder foundation, which has been a staple in my kit for at least a couple of years now. It makes my skin look super dewy and glowy, and well, you know me, that's my jam. I thought I'd team up my Charlotte Tilbury foundation with the new Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away concealer. I hadn't actually used this one before, but I really like how easy it is to blend out and that the coverage isn't too heavy. I sometimes find that heavy concealers leave my under eyes looking dehydrated, and ain't nobody got time for that. I'm using a damp beauty blender to buff it into my skin, and somehow I feel like this actually helps my skin to glow even more. I don't know if that's a fact, but it seems to work for me. I'm now removing any creasing of the concealer before applying a loose translucent powder over my eyelids, and this prepares them for eyeshadow. This Too Faced palette happened to have the perfect tones for what I was looking for today, so I'm super excited to finally be using it. I'm starting off with this super soft peach tone, and I'm applying that to my crease and blending it out really well. This is just giving me a little bit of a transitional shade and is help mapping out where my eyeshadow will go. Now for this bright peach shade, which I absolutely love, and I'm applying this all over my eyelids and up to my crease, and again blending it super well. Blending is life. This whole look was actually inspired by these Fenty metallic eye and lip crayons. As soon as I saw them, I knew that I wanted them all up on my eyeballs. Well, really my eyelids. They're creamy, they're long lasting, and I love their metallic glossy finish. You can apply these in whichever order you like, but I'm starting with the bronze shade in the middle of my eyelid and applying the gold on the inner corner as a bit of a highlight shade, and then the pink tone on the outer corner. And I'm now buffing the edges to make sure there are no harsh lines, which is something you need to be really mindful of when you're using metallic finishes. For some reason, I decided that I wanted my lower lash line to be slightly more bronze toned than my eyelids. So I'm starting with this light bronze shade and then building the colour up from there using the same peach tones that I used on my eyelids. I'm now applying a nude eyeliner to my lower waterline to keep my eyes looking bright and well and truly awake, and a black eyeliner to my upper waterline to really help define that area. I'm now going to finish off my skin, and I'm adding a little more concealer and then spritzing, and yes, only spritzing this time, my face with the Fix Plus, and then I'm buffing that all in with some foundation on my beauty blender. This is to keep my skin looking super dewy but really polished. I'm now touching up my brows with this pencil from Mecca Max, which I've actually been using a lot lately. I just really love the micro tip. It's perfect for nailing that brow shape. Now finishing off my base, I'm bronzing / kind of contouring, just a little with my favourite bronzer from Giorgio Armani. I like to apply this underneath my cheekbone and up around my forehead. Surprisingly, I've been loving blush lately, which I feel like I haven't loved since I was about 18 years old, and this peachy tone just ties everything in together super nicely. Now into highlighting, and I'm going for more of a gold tone than I usually use, but I think it works really well with the warmth of this look. Back to eyes now, because I actually like doing my mascara after my base, and I'm going to load up my lashes with this Hourglass mascara on the top and bottom. I'm just making sure my lashes are nicely separated so I can apply falsies straight after. I'm using the ARDELL Individual False Lashes in between my natural lashes, just to make them look super full and fluffy and kind of natural looking. I love that this eye makeup could be paired with a nude or a peach lipstick, but this time around I went for a high shine lip gloss with just a hint of pink. And this, my friends, is my peachy golden holiday makeup completed. And this is just me trying to look cute for you to show you how it all looks. I hope you guys are getting really excited for holiday season and that you really enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you real soon in another one. Bye.